Are you prepared for what's coming next? In today's fast-changing world, it's more important than ever to stock up on essential groceries. Rising prices and unexpected shortages mean that staying ahead of the curve can make all the difference. In this video, we'll share 8 must-have pantry staples that will ensure you're ready for anything. From non-perishable items to versatile ingredients, these products are your ticket to preparedness. Keep reading as we break down each item so you can stay one step ahead. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips like this. Canned vegetables should be at the top of your list when building a reliable stockpile. Not only are they convenient, but they're also packed with essential nutrients like vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Whether you're making a hearty soup, comforting casserole, or a quick side dish, canned veggies are an easy way to add nutrition and flavor to any meal. Plus, their long shelf life makes them perfect for emergency situations. Unlike fresh produce, which spoils quickly, canned vegetables can last for months or even years if stored properly. For variety, consider stocking up on green beans, sweet corn, peas, and carrots to keep meals interesting and balanced. Flour and yeast are 2 critical pantry staples that deserve priority in your stockpile. With rising costs due to unpredictable weather patterns and global trade issues, these essentials may become harder to find during crises. During past shortages, shelves emptied quickly, underscoring the importance of having these items on hand. These basics form the foundation of countless recipes, from homemade bread and pastries to hearty family meals. Properly stored, flour can last for months, while active dry or instant yeast remains viable for extended periods if kept cool and dry. Rotating your supply ensures freshness, giving you peace of mind knowing you can provide for your loved ones no matter what happens. Peanut butter is a powerhouse staple that deserves a place in every pantry. It offers protein, healthy fats, and essential nutrients, making it both filling and nutritious. Its energy density makes it ideal for boosting stamina throughout the day. Beyond its nutritional value, peanut butter is incredibly versatile. Spread it on toast, crackers, or fruit, or use it as an ingredient in savory sauces, smoothies, or desserts. Opt for natural varieties with minimal additives for better taste and health benefits. For those with allergies, alternatives like almond butter, sunflower seed butter, or soy butter offer similar advantages. Store peanut butter in a cool, dry spot to maximize its longevity, and rotate your supply regularly to avoid waste. Cooking oils are often overlooked, but are absolutely essential for everyday cooking and long-term storage. Stock up on a variety of oils tailored to different purposes. Vegetable oil and canola oil are affordable and versatile for frying or sautéing, while olive oil adds heart-healthy fats and rich flavors to salads, marinades, and finished dishes. Coconut oil is excellent for baking and high-heat cooking, thanks to its stability and subtle sweetness. To extend their shelf life, store oils in a cool, dark place away from heat and light. Buying in bulk during sales helps mitigate fluctuating prices and ensures you're always prepared. Dairy alternatives have become indispensable for anyone preparing for potential shortages. Almond milk, soy milk, oat milk, and coconut milk offer flexibility for various dietary needs and preferences. Many of these products are shelf-stable, meaning they don't require refrigeration until opened, making them ideal for emergencies or power outages. Use almond or oat milk in beverages, cereals, and smoothies, or try coconut milk for creamy soups, sauces, and curries. Rotate your supply by using older cartons first to ensure nothing goes to waste. Incorporating these into your stockpile provides practical solutions for dietary restrictions while maintaining normalcy in your meals. Salt and spices are pantry essentials that enhance flavor and contribute to food preservation. Keep a variety of salts on hand, such as sea salt, Himalayan pink salt, kosher salt, and iodized salt, each suited to specific cooking needs. Spices bring depth and excitement to any dish. Black pepper enriches soups and sauces, garlic powder elevates roasted vegetables, paprika adds smoky warmth, and cumin transports your palate to new culinary traditions. With proper storage in cool, dry conditions, these lightweight, shelf-stable seasonings can last for years. They're invaluable for adding flavor and versatility to meals, even when fresh ingredients are scarce. Bottled teas and coffees bring comfort and convenience to challenging times. These pre-packaged beverages offer a sense of normalcy and luxury. whether enjoyed cold on a hot day or sipped warm for relaxation. Available in sweetened, unsweetened, or flavored varieties, they cater to diverse tastes and moods. Beyond drinking, bottled teas and coffees can be used creatively in recipes, such as coffee-infused cakes or tea-flavored custards. Check expiration dates regularly, and rotate your supply using the first-in, first-out method to ensure freshness. Having these on hand ensures you can enjoy familiar comforts whenever needed. Dried beans and lentils are pantry powerhouses that combine nutrition, affordability, and versatility. Packed with plant-based protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, they're perfect for hearty soups, stews, salads, and dips. Stock a mix of black beans, kidney beans, pinto beans, and lentils for varied textures and flavors. Red lentils cook quickly and work well in purees, while green and brown lentils hold their shape for salads and sides. Soaking dried beans overnight reduces cooking time and improves digestibility, though lentils typically don't require soaking. Their impressive shelf life means they'll remain ready whenever you need them, ensuring wholesome meals even during busy or uncertain times. By stocking up on these 8 essential grocery items, you'll not only save time and money, but also gain peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for whatever comes your way. Start building your stockpile today and enjoy delicious, nutritious meals regardless of external challenges. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments which items you'd add to your own list.